How to cancel Peacock TV app subscription. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Open it. Now navigate to the option of subscriptions. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections as active and inactive subscriptions. Under active subscription, you'll find the option of Peacock TV. Go ahead and click on it. With that, you'll get the option of cancel subscription at the bottom of it. Go ahead and click on it. You'll get the pop-up confirm cancellation. Click on confirm. With that, you have just cancelled subscription for Peacock TV. Now you won't be charged anymore. You can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the Peacock TV app or account will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily cancel Peacock TV app subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.